Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. We've run into a little problem with the tractor. We were working out here with it a few days ago and noticed we found actually a nut and a washer. Wasn't sure where that went to, started inspecting the tractor, and we've noticed that we actually have two of our bolts and nuts that hold the rim on the front tire, on the front left tire. Those are missing. So 2 of the 6 bolts are missing. So we're going to take this tire off, and we've also noticed we have a pretty sizable cut in the side of the tire. So these are some pretty old tires, or original tires. I think it's a 1997 tractor, so they've got some age on them. So we're going to try to take this tractor tire off, take it to the co-op, get it replaced, and put it back on in a few days. So this tractor has these bolts that hold the rim on, but as you see, it's actually missing 2. These 2 are missing. 2 of the 6 are missing. We also have this tear in the tire. It's a pretty old tire, and these are original tires on the tractor. I think it's a 1997 model, so they've got a lot of age on them. Probably needs to be replaced anyway. So I've come out and sprayed these bolts that are going to have to come off with some WD-40 to hopefully loosen those up and make it a little bit easier to take this off. But we're going to have to figure this out, this part out here. This is a 4-wheel drive tractor. So I'm a little bit unfamiliar with what to do as far as the 4-wheel drive part of this wheel and tire goes, but we're going to figure this out. So I'm going to try to loosen these bolts. They've been on here a long time. This may not be enough force, but we'll see how it goes. May need an impact wrench to get these off.
You have one?
I believe we have one. Seldom used, but we may have to use it on this tractor. I don't think these are going to budge. I can probably get a long piece of pipe and see if we can get a little bit more force on it, but outside of that, I don't think these are going to come off easy. I think I've got all of them broke loose. I think I probably need to take some weight off of it, jack it up a little bit, and take the weight off of it before I take them any further off. So I have these lug nuts broke loose. I have a jack under the axle. I'm going to jack it up just a little bit, start loosening these up a little bit more, and see if we can slide the tire off. So we were finally able to get this wheel off the tractor, the front left wheel that needed to be replaced. The tire had a big rip in it, so we decided to take it off, take it to the co-op, and have them replace it, and we did. It was pretty much after dark, and with flashlights that we got the tire off. So next day we took it to the co-op. They put a new tire on the rim, and it's time to put it back on the tractor. So as it got dark on us last night, we figured out that it's the outer bolts on this wheel that need to come off, not the inner bolts. And so once we did that, it was pretty easy to take the wheel off. It's the first time we've done this, but it worked out pretty well once we figured out the right way to do it. So after thinking about it a little bit, I've decided to go ahead and replace each of these 6 bolts and use these locking nuts on the tire, on the wheel, as I replace it. So after a quick trip to the co-op, I'm back and ready to finish the job. So I'm going to jack it up just a little bit and make sure it's seated all the way back, and then tighten all the bolts. So I think they're all pretty snug. Just now I need to finish them out, tighten them down really good, and this job will be done. All right, we're going to try out the new tire and hopefully get some other work done. So we have a 6-foot log here. It's a pine that came out of really a long crooked log. This is not very straight itself, even this little short 6-foot piece. We're going to cut it into maybe a 10 by 10 cant and see if we've got a lot of weight on it, see how square it is. It may end up just being a pile of stickers, or it may be some 4/8. We just don't know till we see kind of what we get into and see how straight our lumber is. So we've cut up this 6-foot pine log. It was crooked when we started. It's still a little bit crooked now. Still has some wane on it. I'm not sure what we're going to do with it. We may just leave it here on the sawmill for a couple of days and think about it, give it some thought, what we can best use it for. It's really kind of cool to go out scavenging in the woods, find some logs that are still in good shape, and try to make some use out of them. So we're going to give this some thought, try to figure it out in the next day or two. But if you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.